Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahmi AIMAN bin Muhammad ZAKI.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sharafuddin bin Abu Hassan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ABDUL bin ROSLI.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is LUQMAN bin AZHAR.
Today I wanted to present about plastic chair product by using injection molding machine. So this is the introduction for our product. Plastic chairs are functional furniture items that have grown in popularity over the past several years. They are lightweight, strong and simple to clean because they are produced from a range of materials, including polypropylene, polyethylene and polycarbonate. Plastic chairs come in a number of colors, design and size, making them perfect for uses in a variety of locations, including indoor dining room and outdoor patios. They are a well-liked option for both home and business use because they are also reasonably priced. Plastic chairs offer a number of advantages and are a popular alternative for many, whether you are searching for a cozy and useful sitting option for your home or a budget-friendly solution for your business. So the next slide is description. This is our description for a plastic chair product. The material that we'll use to make a plastic chair is polypropylene. Second is the type of machine used to make plastic chair. We use injection molding machine. Injection molding machine is a manufacturing machine used to produce plastic parts and products by injecting melted plastic material into a mold. It consists of a hopper, barrel, injection unit and clamping unit. The melted plastic is heated and injected into a mold cavity which cool and solidify. After the plastic has cooled and hardened, the mold is opened and the finished part is ejected from the mold. The third one is the method. The most common method for making plastic chair is injection molding, which involves melting plastic pellet, injecting the molten plastic into a mold, cooling it to solidify and take the shape of the mold, ejecting the finished chair and trimming any excess material. The third slide is flow chart. The first thing first, the material preparation. The second one is injection molding. The third one is cooling. The fourth one is ejection. The fifth one is finishing. The sixth one is assembly. Last but not least is quality control, and then packaging and shipping. We go back to the finishing. If we do finishing, it will have scrap and waste. The next slide is show the example of the machine that we use to make a plastic, that is injection molding machine.
Additional information. Detailed process involved until finishing. Number 1, material preparation. Number 2, injection molding. Number 3, cooling. Number 4, injection. 5, finishing. 6, scrap and waste. 7, assembly. 8, quality control. And last, 9, painting or surface finishing. This is standard material requirements, manufacturing standards, safety standards, environmental standards and legal compliance are all part of the standards for producing plastic chairs. The chairs are made with safety, steadiness and environmental responsibility in mind, as well as the demands of the market and the end customers. The objective of these standards are to preserve uniformity in terms of quality and safety throughout the manufacture and usage of plastic chairs, while specific may vary depending on the sector and region. This is parameter process. Injection molding, temperature, pressure, cooling time, mold temperature, holding pressure and time, Injection speed, screw rotation speed, and post-injection cooling time are some of the critical characteristics that come into play when creating a plastic chair. Manufacturers can produce plastic chairs with consistent quality and dimensional correctness by modifying these characteristics. These factors are very important in determining the final style, resilience, and general quality of the plastic chair. Discussion. Number one, for advantage, high efficiency. Number two, cost effective. 3, wide range of materials. 4, high dimensional accuracy. 5, low scrap rate. Number two, disadvantage. Number one, high initial cost. 2, limited design flexibility. Number 3, long lead times. Number 4, environmental impact. Effects: sink marks, wall page, flash, shots, burn marks, gas trap.
Introduction. Blow molding is a common industrial technique for producing plastic bottles. Involves forming molten plastic into a bottle using a mold and pressure A. These bottles can be used to package and store a variety of liquids, including water, soft drink, juice, cleaning supplies, and personal care goods. They are lightweight, reliable, and affordable. Blow molding is a popular option for both consumer and industrial application because it is a flexible manufacturing method that can be used to make bottles in a variety of size, shapes, and colors. Descriptions. First type of materials to make a bottle plastic is polyethylene terephthalate, which is PET. Next type of machine, we use blow molding machines. Extrusion, injection, and stretch blow molding machines are the 3 primary types of blow molding equipment that are frequently used to produce plastic bottles. Extrusion blow molding machines are suitable for high volume production of simple bottle shape, which injection blow molding and stretch blow molding machines are used for lower volume production of more complex bottle shape. The choice of machines depend on the specific requirement of the product and the production volume. Number 3 is method. The most popular technique for creating plastic bottles is called blow molding, which entails melting and extruding plastic material into a resin, clamping it into a mold, and molding it to the mold with pressurized air. The bottle is taken out after cooling and solidifying, checked for quality, then packaged and distributed. Different bottle form, size, and production quantities require different types of blow molding machines. Next, we have a flowchart. First of all, it is material preparation. Next, extrusion. Next, molding. Next, blow molding, and then cooling. And then we have ejections and trimming. Last but not least, which is quality control. Here we have a drawing about a blow molding machines, which is to make plastic bottles.
Next, additional information. Number 1, detailed process involved anti-finishing. Number 1, material preparation. Number 2, preform production. Number 3, loading the preform. Number 4, heating. Number 5, stress below molding. Number 6, cooling. Number 7, injection. Number 8, quality control. Next, standard. Plastic bottles must comply with various standards. depending on the type of plastic used, intended use and country origin, where they will be sold. In the US, FDA and EU standard must be followed to ensure safety. ASTM international standard must be followed to ensure performance requirement. Next, parameter process. Blow molding parameter for making plastic bottles include extrusion temperature, blow molding pressure, cooling temperature, blow molding speed, and material properties, which can all be adjusted to optimize the quality and efficiency of the production process and achieve high quality plastic bottles that meet the required standard and specification. Next, discussion. One advantage: cost effective, versatility, efficiency, durability, sustainability. Disadvantage: limited material options, limited wall thickness, quality issues, hard setup cost, mold design limitation. Next, defect in spot, flash, splay, pinhole, warping, stress cracking. Summary and calculation. In calculation, both below molding and injection molding are common manufacturing techniques in the plastic industry. Each with unique benefit and drawback for creating various products. Making plastic chair with injection molding is a common practice since it enables complex design and high precision with reliable quality. While this is going on, blow molding is a favorite technique for making plastic bottles due to its great efficiency, adaptability, and affordability for mass manufacturing. To achieve the best outcome, both procedures necessitate carefully consideration of the process variables, material characteristics, and quality control. Although both procedures have their pros and cons, they are necessary to satisfy the various demands of contemporary consumers for a wide variety of plastic products.